some close guard as well this week, kind of working from a sweep to a submission. But first things first, we gotta know how to threaten our partner for the sweep. So a lot of times we're in the close guard. It's very hard to put my opponent's hands on the mat, but they'll always be grabbing my belt, right, trying to pressure into my stomach and opening my guard. So it's very easy to start making grips on his sleeve. So I'm gonna reach for a cross grip across his body, right? 4 fingers like a cat, underneath his wrist. If your partner's hunkering their elbows down to your thigh, maybe they're being that guy, they're doing dirty jiu-jitsu, digging into your elbows into the thigh. All you wanna do is bridge, and as soon as your hips come down, your hands gonna slide underneath. There's always gonna be space there, especially if you bridge nice and high. Now from here, I'm gonna grab my own wrist, bump it away from his body, and now he knows that when I cross it. So I'm not just gonna pull here. Aaron's strong, there's no way I'm gonna win this. I wanna pull and bring my knees to my chest. Now from here, I guide his arm across my body, and I control his armpit. If my partner's lazy, and he just lays here, I'm gonna take his back. But no one's gonna do that. He's gonna try to look at me. And when he does this, I wanna hold his armpit so tight that he cannot remove this arm, right? From here, while I'm waiting, I can hold this, right? If he's fighting back, struggling, I wanna hold the arm. As soon as I feel the opportunity, I'm gonna let go of the arm and hip escape and hook the leg. From here, it's very important that I hook the leg. I wanna bring my head as close as possible to his knee. Now that my guard's open, I'm gonna swing my leg outwards and start to pull him on top of me. I want all his weight on top of my hips, but this never works, right? I need to pull all his weight on top of my hips. Now that my hips are underneath him, I'm gonna rock forward and land in the mount position, okay? Again, in the close guard, grab my belt, cross grip right away. Here, go underneath, pop the grip, and cross the arm. As soon as I cross the arm, I break him down and control his back, right? I wanna control his arm while he's trying to posture. If he sits up, I should come with him, right? Stay nice and tight here, right? Pulling my knees to my chest. When I'm ready, I'm gonna let go and hook the leg. As soon as I hook the leg, my hips are coming out so I can pull him on top of me here and rock him over to land in the mount. Any questions on this one? Super simple. Yeah? One more time. Right away, cross the arm, break him down, hook the back. Hook the leg, pendulum to the outside, and come to the top. Super simple pendulum sweep. Let's do it on 3. 1 and switch, guys. Same partners. 1, 2, 3.